Two-factor authentication provides an extra layer of protection for your 1Password account. If you have a U2F compatible security key, you can use it as a second factor in supported browsers instead of a 6-digit authentication code. To get started, sign into your account on 1Password.com. Click your name in the top right and choose My Profile. Click More Actions, Manage Two-Factor Authentication. Before you can use your security key with 1Password, you'll need to turn on two-factor authentication. After you've set up your Authenticator app, click Add a Security Key. Enter a name for your security key and click Next. Then insert your security key into the USB port on your computer and touch the sensor on your security key. From now on, you can use your security key as a second factor for your 1Password account. It's that easy. For more helpful videos like this, visit support.1password.com or subscribe to the 1Password channel on YouTube.